How to log into Amazon Prime Video. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to log into your Amazon Prime account. But before getting started, make sure to hit the like button on the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, if you are trying to log into your Amazon Prime Video, you first need to open any web browser that you usually use and then go ahead and search for Prime Video. And once you do that, you just have to type in login after this as well. So it will directly take you to amazon.com, sign up for Prime Video. Go ahead and open up this link. And once you have done that, if you are already a member, you can simply sign in from here, or if you're new, you can start your free trial from here. So the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your sign-in, and then here you just have to enter your email or phone number. So I'm just going to enter my email right here. And once you enter your email, you just hit continue, and it will ask you for your password. Now you will be prompted to enter your password. Just make sure that you enter your correct login details. And in case if you have forgotten it, just click on forgot password and Prime Video will send you an email on your email to reset your password. And if you want to be signed in and make sure that browser remembers your login details, make sure to check this out. And that's how you easily sign into Prime Video. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.